the gardens are basically done for the year. I will be building a little hoop house, greenhouse type thing. But I wanted to show you something out here. Periodically I'll bring like if I have a bag of potatoes where one or two have gone bad and they've stunk up the whole bag, I'll just bring the whole bag out here and we'll bury them in the garden. Somebody back there doing some work. Kind of getting loud, aren't they? But anyway, I just want to show you some potato tops here. Show you what these look like. These are potato tops, so you can tell how the potatoes are shooting up. They did get mowed down, but that's fine. You know, the potatoes are growing, and the potato tops are growing. Even though it's fall, still got the potatoes in the dirt. So and there's some there and there. You see, this is what they look like. Potato tops. They're all down through here. These are potato tops. Those are potato tops. So I know I still got the potatoes growing in there. And right here too. Those are potato tops. But if you look, maybe I can point out some. You see them there? Where is it? Yeah, right there. But there's still potatoes growing out here. Some of these will probably we'll just leave them in for the winter, and they'll come back. Johnny did this little row here, and he's going to do another little row over here next to it, put some more potatoes in, and we'll end up putting some like little wood things stuck in there with little names showing, you know, potato, 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 so that this coming spring I won't come in here and shovel it or garden till it. But we'll end up with some more gardens here, and even further back. And back there we got a big compost pile, and I still got my big compost pile in there. That compost pile has shrunk tremendously. Really, really shrunk. But yeah, we're gonna be doing some more videos on composting and some more preparation videos for the gardens, and hopefully this spring we'll have us some better hey, what are you doing? Hmm? What? You don't level my phone? Anyway, every time I come out here talking, a kitty cat comes running. The cats think I talk to them. They don't understand that I talk to myself. So, look at that. This cat is a good mouser. It's a boy. It's a boy cat, but that cat is a good mouser. Yesterday, or today, I think it was today, that cat got 2 mice. Yeah, look at him, he's got some claws. He's like a tiger. Or, what do they call the black cats? Panther. He's a panther. And he goes hunting. Is that right, boy? Hmm. Anyway, right in there is my compost pile. And right in there is a good spot to catch lizards. You go in there, gonna go catch a lizard? And what else is in there? See something, I don't know what the heck that is in there. Oh, no. What, you gonna go find something? Huh? You gonna go find something? Loving on my leg. Come on, stay off my legs, I'm trying to walk. That's my phone. Leave my phone alone. Jeez. I'm gonna smear my lens. All right. So I got work to do.